Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start from chapter number 2, section number 1, question number 5. Why are maps used more than globes? Now open page number 25. The answer of question number 5 starts from this line. A map does not show a true picture of the earth. मैप अर्थ की ट्रू पिक्चर को शो नहीं करता. द ट्रू पिक्चर इज़ द ग्लोब. अर्थ की ट्रू पिक्चर को ग्लोब शो करता है. ग्लोब शोज़ द स्फेरिकल शेप ऑफ अर्थ. डिस्पाइट दिस, इसके बावजूद मैप्स आर मोर पॉपुलरली यूज टू शो द वर्ल्ड और अ पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. मैप्स ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं वर्ल्ड को शो करने के लिए या वर्ल्ड के पार्ट को शो करने के लिए. दिस इज़ बिकॉज, ऐसा होता क्योंकि मैप्स ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं. अ मैप इज़ ईजी टू हैंडल. अ मैप इज़ ईजी टू होल्ड. मैप को होल्ड करना, मैप को हैंडल करना ग्लोब की निस्बत आसान होता है. अनलाइक ऑन अ ग्लोब, इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू सी द होल वर्ल्ड ऑन अ मैप एट वन ग्लांस. वन ग्लांस कहते हैं एक ही झलक में. देयरफॉर अ वैरायटी ऑफ मैप्स कैन बी फाउंड इन बुक्स, एटलासेस, न्यूज़पेपर्स, द इंटरनेट एंड टेलीविजन न्यूज़ चैनल्स. We can see the whole world on a globe at one glance, but we can't see the whole world on a map at one glance. That's why a variety of maps can be found in books, atlases, newspapers, the internet, and television news channels. Let's see question number 6. When was the oldest existing globe made and by whom? Now open page number 21. The answer of question number 6 starts from this line. The oldest existing globe was made in 1492 by the German map maker Martin Behaim. When was oldest existing globe made? The oldest existing globe was made in 1492. Who was made the oldest existing globe? Martin Behaim made the oldest existing globe. Who was Martin Behaim? Martin Behaim was the German map maker. Let's see question number 7. State whether the following statements are true or false. A globe is a model of the earth that represents its spherical shape. It is true. The features of the earth cannot be represented in proportion on a globe. It is false. The features of the earth represented in proportion on a globe. A map is a representation of the earth's surface on a flat surface. It is true. A relief map shows the capital cities of countries. False. A relief map shows the physical features of earth. A weather map shows daily weather conditions such as air pressure, cloud cover, etc. It is true. Let's see question number 8. Explain the contributions of Martin Behaim and Tholme to map making. In its answer, we will describe the contributions of Martin Behaim and Tholme about map making. Now open page number 21. First I tell you the contributions of Martin Behaim. The oldest existing globe was made in 1492 by the German map maker Martin Behaim. Martin Behaim was the German map maker and he made the oldest existing globe in 1492. Now open page number 22. Now I tell you the contributions of Ptolemy about map making. In about 150 Common Era, Ptolemy, a Greek scientist, compiled an encyclopedia about the ancient world which also included maps and geography. In about 150 Common Era, Ptolemy. Who was Ptolemy? He was a Greek scientist. Ptolemy assembled an encyclopedia about the ancient world and his encyclopedia also included maps and geography. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के आंसर में पहले बताएंगे contributions of Martin Behaim. It will start from this line. The oldest existing globe. It will end at Martin Behaim. उसके बाद बताएंगे contributions of Ptolemy about map making. It will start from this line. In about 150 Common Era and it will end at maps and geography. Let's see question number 9. What is a book of maps called? Its answer is a book of maps is called atlas. I hope you will be understand. Allah Hafiz.